Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a vacation response on Yahoo. So, first of all you need to be logged in into your Yahoo account, and as you can see now I'm logged in and I am on the main mail page of the Yahoo. Then you want to go to your settings, which is on the right side of your screen. Then you want to go down a little bit and click more settings. So just click on it, then you want to go to your vacation response, and here is the vacation response that you have created earlier. So if you want to just remove it or even change it, you just want to click on this one. Then you can change the dates from which it should be started and ended. Also you can edit the text that you wrote earlier, and if you go down a little bit you're gonna find remove vacation response. So if you want to remove it, just click on this one and accept the removing once again, and voila, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.